Welcome to our special segment on 10 places guys love to be touched. Today, we will explore these areas in detail to help you better understand the male body and enhance intimate connections. So, let's dive right in. 1. Head and hair. Our first stop is the head. Men love gentle head massages and hair play as it releases tension and promotes relaxation. Use your fingers or a comb, and run them through his hair with varying pressure. Watch his muscles unwind as you give him this blissful experience. 2. Neck and shoulders. Up next, we have the neck and shoulders. A light touch on the nape of his neck or gentle strokes along his shoulders will surely make him melt. Pay attention to the areas where stress tends to accumulate. Massage these points and witness his stress fade away. 3. Arms and hands. Moving on, let's explore the arms and hands. Men enjoy the sensation of their arms being caressed. Run your fingers along the inside of his forearm or give his hand a soothing massage. This act of touch will make him feel cared for and create a strong sense of intimacy. 4. Chest and nipples. Now, let's take a moment to focus on the chest and nipples. These areas are highly sensitive, and gentle touches or kisses can be incredibly pleasurable for a man. Learn to navigate the boundaries and find what he enjoys the most, ensuring a passionate experience for both of you. 5. Stomach and abdomen. Moving downward, we come to the stomach and abdomen. A soft touch or gentle massage can have a deeply relaxing effect on a man. Slowly caress his stomach, paying attention to his reactions. This adds a new layer of connection and intimacy between you. 6. Inner thighs. As we move further south, the inner thighs deserve some attention. This area is incredibly sensitive and can be highly arousing when touched delicately. Gently knead or graze his inner thighs to create anticipation and pleasure. 7. Erogenous zones. Don't forget the lips and ears. These are highly erogenous zones for most men. Placing soft kisses or gently nibbling on his earlobes can send shivers down his spine. Explore these areas and enjoy the passionate response they generate. 8. Lower back. Switching focus, the lower back is an often underappreciated spot. Running your fingers or thumbs along his lower back can create a tingling sensation and relax his muscles. This area is particularly soothing when massaged after a long day. 9. Feet. Lastly, let's not forget the feet. Believe it or not, many men find foot massages incredibly pleasurable. Rubbing his feet and applying gentle pressure to the soles can lead to relaxation and overall well-being. 10. Conclusion. That wraps up our journey through the 10 places guys love to be touched. Remember, every person is unique, so communication and consent are essential. By exploring these areas with care and attention, you can create a deeper connection and enhance your intimate experiences.